Hi Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Air Signs. Welcome to your weekly reading for the week of 1st of July to the 7th of July. This reading is for you if your Sun, Moon, Rising or Venus are in any of the air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I hope you have watched your monthly, that is July 2021 Tarot Psychic reading. If not, the link is there in the description box. Also, you can watch Jupiter Retrograde Part 1 series, with whose link is also there in the description box. It covers two-third of July. So I believe your monthly reading along with this your weekly reading as well as that Jupiter retrograde will give you a holistic picture of what is up in your life. So I'm going to use my everyday tarot and Lenormand, and I'm going to draw Celtic cross. That is one of the oldest spread used in tarot reading, answering almost 9 to 10 questions of your life to assess what is your energy like. So Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. The very first card is about your current energy. What crosses is it is your current challenge that you're facing. What goes subconsciously, which is bringing everything to a halt or pushes it or whatever it is this. What is consciously affecting you? Your immediate past, your immediate future, what should be your approach or attitude, what has been your outside influences. Let me just lay down these cards and then we'll talk about what they are. Your hopes and fears, and then the final outcome. Oh yeah, this wants to come out. Okay. All right, so your current energy, Four of Cups. This is coming for most of the readings that I'm using this month, July. I believe everybody is in the form of rejection, meditation, not kind of, just holding hands and sitting into your own silence, into your own space. So Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, for 1st to the 7th of July, this is what your current energy will be, or this is the energy that you will enter this week like. Okay, and what crosses it is Six of Wands. Okay, it seems somehow people do recognize you for who you are and what you are. They want to appreciate and reach out to you, and you're simply trying to close yourself off because you have to decide onto something. What is subconsciously running into your heart is kind of a pain or a hurt. What consciously is running into your mind is Nine of Swords. You are actually overthinking about something, you're sad about something. What has been the past? Why? Six of Pentacles. Was it a third party situation? Somebody was not paying attention to you, was giving it. You were very much giving into something, and you were you were not in the priority list of somebody. Okay. Your immediate future, Devil. So yeah, it seems that something has definitely hurt you a lot, and you would like to stay put with what you feel is right, and it's very difficult for you to let go, and that's what your immediate future is. So during this week, it seems that you will be into your own self because of the past hurts, and somehow there is a subconscious fear, anxiety, not talking to people, being into your own seclusion, in spite of the fact that there are people who are wanting to approach you, they want to, they want to approach you for something, they do recognize your worth. Six of Wands can also be your own inner, like your own ego. It is like, I have achieved certain amount of etc., etc., XYZ, and all that. And I know who am I, and I care a damn. So that also can be your energy. Okay, what is the approach? Hangman says, yeah, it's this is what is. I mean, this is a suggested attitude, I would say, in your case, which is Hangman. So what is Hangman basically? Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It's seeing things from higher perspective, seeing things from a different perspective, so that it can be worked out. Okay, what is the outside influence? It's justice. So somewhere down, people are wanting you to balance your energies, because we have Six of Pentacles as well as this. So these are, somehow they are Libra cards. So outside influence is like, since we recognize you for who you are, it's important for you to deal with the matter, rather than being into your own shell. So this is the influence that you're getting. What is your hopes and fears? Let's see that. Seven of Wands. So it's like, no, 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 I just don't want it. You are into that defensive mode, and you are like, I am good on my own. Okay. Your final outcome is Four of Swords. So see, Four of Cups is also like, that's why these 7 days, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, I believe it is very important for you to yes, take a break from people, but be diplomatic, as in don't show off everybody. Not everybody is wrong or would have done wrong to you. I understand there is a lot of pain and hurt and overthinking going on. There are a few things that you've not been able to let go, but don't let your past fears and waiting and really taking time and delaying attitude come into the way of your success. Because Four of Swords as your final outcome is actually a card which talks about taking rest, healing yourself, but simultaneously it is also a card of thinking less, because it is bang opposite to what you are actually experiencing. It's like, Nine of Swords is like continuously your mind is at mind is running. It's like traffic after traffic of thoughts are there. But Four of Swords is like taking rest, understanding the whole situation, introspecting, meditating, doing some sort of self healing. Yes, withdraw from people, but not everybody. This is what I am trying to tell you, because there's a lot of letting go. This week you are definitely healing yourself, but probably you have to mold your ways of healing yourself. That's very important, because there is a lot of blocking of energy, being into your internal world, not being able to let go, defending yourself, blocking people, taking your time out. But it is important for you to see things from a higher perspective, meditate a bit, so that you can balance, because justice is one of the cards that has come for you as part of your influence, so outside influence. So yes, definitely there are people who are approaching you for something, but I think you're closed off. Don't be so closed off. So these 7 days, I specifically, I think, take these 3-4 days, so somewhere around 3rd or 4th of July. By that time, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, make sure that you are out of that sticky energy which is keeping you blocked. Block only those energies and those people and those tendencies and those situations which are not serving any good to you. Do not block everything good. So think again. It's very important to think again and communicate and try and balance your energies. So give yourself another chance. That's what I can see. Okay. All right. So let me pull 3 Lenormand cards for you. And those cards are, the first one is Ship. It's a travel basically. Okay. Clouds. So yeah, so this is what is happening. You are you're thinking of letting go of things and but your thoughts are actually overburdened with that shift that you want to bring in into your life. But then the third card is lilies. So it is a card which says that, things take time. Whether it is a career opportunity that you're thinking about, or you're thinking about connecting with somebody old, or traveling somewhere, or for that matter sorting out an issue with the expertise that you have, it is going to take time. So lily and clouds, they both are, clouds is basically a card of uncertainty and, being in disharmony and confused and uncertain and all that. So there has to be, and lily is a card of nurturing, expertise, experience, which takes time. Okay, so this is also like delaying kind of a thing. It takes time, nothing comes overnight. So if you want to bring in that shift into your life, it won't come overnight. Okay, you have to have that harmony of your life, so that things are balanced. It's all right to let go of the past, but it is also important in letting go of that you don't lose sight of your future. That's what I'm saying. Things won't change overnight, whether it is a career thing or a relationship thing or something that you're actually thinking of bringing about a change in your life. Things won't change overnight. So these 7 days, I would say 3 to 4 days for sure are very important of this week. The initial 3-4 days are very important for you to actually understand this, and balance yourself, so that when you enter the next week, you are much more calmer, balanced, and you do see things from different perspective. Then only you'll be able to bring about that change that you're looking for. So heal yourself. These 7 days, make sure you heal yourself. That's what I can tell you from your spreads and the Lenormand card. All right. So yeah, that's it from my side, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I hope you liked it. Please share this video with your loved ones. Comment in the comment section how this week treats you. I'll be waiting for your comments. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Please take care of yourself. Bye.